This is kind of the opposite of that. This one you sent to me. Startup designs a modular repairable laptop. This is a very un-Apple laptop.
Although it looks very much like a
It
MacBook.
looks a lot like an Apple laptop, but inside, the heart and the guts of it, not Apple at all. Everything in here is essentially user replaceable, repairable, customizable, right down to the ports that you select through these little modular sections that plug in or out depending on what you need in there. Everything is industry standard stuff. Nothing is proprietary, whether you're talking about the wireless card, the SSD. The only thing that's a little more difficult is the CPU itself, which, on a laptop motherboard, that makes sense. You only have so much space to work with. It's a 13.5 inch. This is the first one they've done. It's called the Framework Laptop. A 13.5 inch notebook with a number of modular parts. 13.5 inches, 2256 by 1504, 3x2 display. It has a series of magnetic bezels, making it easy to replace. It's also packing a 1080p 60 FPS webcam, hardware privacy switch, and a keyboard with 1.5 millimeter key travel. It'll have 11th generation Intel Core CPU alongside Wi-Fi 6, up to 64 gigs of DDR4, and 4 terabytes of Gen 4 NVMe SSD storage. So you may have thought that their angle, it even comes with a screwdriver in the box, by the way. And it's a cool looking screwdriver with as you see, a spudger on the other end. Now, your first thought might be, oh, I see how this works. It's going to be a budget-minded thing. It's going to be not a premium. Well, they wanted to do the opposite of that, which is why you see the spec list. You can really spec it out, which is kind of cool. They want it to be a competitor to pro-level laptops. I mean, look at this. What do you need? You need Type-C? Okay, throw it in. What do you need? HDMI? Throw it in. What do you need? A RAM chip? Throw it in. What do you need? An SSD? Throw it in! They're encouraging
that's really
you.
useful. These little modules.
Look at that. Everything, apparently, every connector is a single ribbon wherever possible. So it's not overly complex. Now, it's not going to be the thinnest laptop in the world because of this, to have this modular design. But it is a cool development, especially for those individuals that are getting sick and tired of these proprietary things, getting sick and tired of, not being able to get their hands dirty with their own gadgets. Just being cut off before they even get started.
And this is just enough where it's not too complicated to upgrade.
No, not at all.
Or modify.
Not at all. Apparently, they want this to meet or beat the ThinkPad T series, the Surface laptop, and the XPS 13 on performance. That's their target. So they're not joking around. It's no jokes. Anyway, this is just the first of possibly many designs that they're going to come out with. Framework is the company. I think the expansion cards are the coolest part. USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, DisplayPort. Just pick what you need. Micro SD, a little more storage, and more coming soon.